Sorry, let me sit down, no boy.
Wagwan.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Papa, say
guys.
wagwan.
Papa speaking.
Wagwan.
To
This
them.
boy is obsessed by Wagwan. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Mama say wagwan.
Wagwan.
Is Jamaican patois party today.
Oh,
So we need to speak patois all day.
really?
Yes.
I tell a request.
A Tyler
Chat
request.
patois all
I'm
day.
gonna chat no patois today.
Tyler say if you chat patois, so chat patois.
I'm gonna chat patois.
And
Delaveaus
you,
wagwan.
Wagwan,
and
guys.
you too, Mama.
Alright, I'm gonna chat patois.
Wagwan.
What else you can say?
What y'all say?
What you say?
Yes.
Me not say nothing.
Me there.
Me there.
There, my youth.
Me there, my youth.
Tell Fibs what's going on.
I
It
want
is
one
hard for
today.
me to continue chatting patois.
Speak English.
The struggles.
Me are going to school.
Me a go school.
Me are going to school.
Me a go school.
Me are going to school.
I mean, I gotta walk.
Yeah, Papa said me a go walk.
Yes.
Walk.
Walk. Like the Chinese food. Walk.
You guys, I'm taking Tyler to school.
You're big English. Is the both of big back.
Me a chat Tyler go school.
That's big.
And then me a go come back. And then me a go clean the entire house because your cousin a come later. And me a teach
Yeah.
Sarah got doctor.
Yeah.
So me have enough things to do.
Okay.
You understand what me just said? What did I just say? What me just say?
Alright, guys. Out go.
You are say?
You say?
You say?
Mm-hmm.
I don't.
Me say me I go carry you go school and then me I go come back home clean
Okay.
and then me I carry Sarah go doctor.
Okay.
And that's done?
Yeah. Make a baby.
Ghetto. Ghetto.
What
Ghetto.
y'all say?
Alright, guys. Mwah. Mwah. I love you. You're nice at school, okay?
Later, Papa.
Later, Tyler.
You go throw the juice on yourself. Me can't bother with Tyler being patois right now. So me I go switch back to English.
No.
It's a pata party.
No, it's
Bye.
later.
Later, Tyler.
If you don't want patois every time, you just can do patois, French, and English. That's better.
So what you want me to chat patois all day today?
Like that.
Alright, me I'm gonna go chat patois when you come back from school. Okay? Me and you can chat patois. Come.
Okay, but Mama, I want
What?
to tell you a secret.
No, me don't want to hear no secret.
Just
There's
the
nobody
one.
else in the house, so you can talk to me. You don't have to whisper in my ears.
Okay, the secret.
But you now speak in English. You're not chat patois. Ha!
But I want to tell. I'm switching to English.
You're switching to English now?
Mama,
Yes.
you know why you want to tell it in your ears?
Why?
Because like that face don't know what it is.
Alright, come tell me in my ears. Okay. Anyway, guys, let me just tell you guys who don't understand Jamaican patois what's going on right now. Tyler says today is a patois party, so we're gonna speak patois all day. That's what he says. I got him dressed and we're heading out right now to go to school. Hold on. Sarah, I'm going to go pick her up, feed her her bottle, get her dressed so we can head out. So hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and enjoy the patois party.
But I won't accept, I will not speak patois at school because nobody else speaks patois. Only French, right? Except me just speak English. Because I'm teaching her.
You're teaching her?
Yes.
And today's Friday, so you're gonna teach her?
Yes.
Hi. Why are you looking at me like that? You guys, I have gotten so much done. I cleaned my entire house from bathroom to toilet to kitchen to all the bedrooms. Everywhere is all fresh, bedding changed, everything. Got myself a shower, did my hair. Oh, I got so much done since 9 o'clock up until midday. It's midday and 15 minutes right now. And I am feeding Sarah lunch. After I give Sarah lunch, I am going to have my lunch. Then I'm gonna get her dressed because today it's her doctor day. It's her doctor day today. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna have to do. And I don't know if I told you guys this morning that one of Babe's cousins is coming by. If you guys watch a vlog a few weeks ago, you guys would have seen my girl Idalina. Gorgeous Idalina is coming back. She'll be here for a week actually. She's working close by, so she'll be staying with us and going to work for a week. So yeah, we'll be having Idalina with us for a week. Anyway, you guys, I am here trying to navigate through my multitasking day as usual. You wanna say good morning to the face? Look up. Look up there. Say good morning. Up there. See? They're waiting. No? And yeah, you're giving them the clap. Why are you doing that? She had this habit where she just shake like this and then stop. You're giving them a little clap. It is so windy today. You need a little sweater outside. Very, very windy, but it's not raining. Cloudy and windy. It won't rain today, it says, but hey, we need the shower of blessing anyway. Look at this pretty girl. Look at this witty girl. Who is this pretty girl? Give mama a kiss. No kiss? Sarah? She's just into the TV. You're into the TV and not looking at mama? I like your mini dress. Your Minnie Mouse dress is very cute. She just don't care right now. Anyway, you guys, we are all dressed and heading out in this wind right now. Ready? I'm gonna have to resume my patois talking when Tyler gets home from school. That boy, he's a character, I tell you. Your brother is a character, don't he? Yes, I know. Let's go. So we are out and on our way to the doctor, which is at the hospital. This is what the sky is looking like today, but look at the palm trees. So windy out, especially on this stretch of road because this is where the beach is at. The beach is just right there. So this is the famous Promenade des Anglais. If it's your first time to my channel, we are on the French Riviera, honey. Hey. Hi. You guys, I'm wearing my African Fab mask. If you guys haven't yet get your African Fab mask, get it. It's washable, it's reusable, it's the coolest mask to wear, and it matches all your outfit. You can choose any color, any design that you wish. This one is one of my favorite. Yes. And my tram is coming. So let me put my ticket in the machine. Bam. There goes my tram. I'm going in this one. And it's empty. Yes, this is how I like to take them, empty. And since COVID, you don't have to touch the door. It automatically open now. Oh, cool. Look who is home from school.
Walk one.
Back on his patwa without me even reminding him. And look who is home from the doctor. How was doctor? You guys know she cried her lungs out, so I couldn't film while we were at the doctor. And the doctor asked her, the doctor said, where is my favorite boy? Where is my favorite boy, Tyler?
And you say what?
He's at school. He said, oh, I miss him. The doctor loved Tyler. Sarah didn't get any shot today, but she cried. She cried.
Why?
Because she's not a big fan of the doctor. It's normal for babies to cry when they go to the doctor. You used to cry a lot until you become a big boy. You stop crying. So it's okay for Sarah to cry. Okay?
So what did she get?
She just checked her to make sure she's growing well and everything is good. And she's a healthy girl because she's a baby, and that's what babies do. That's okay. You guys, if you hear a little talking in the background, I'm actually here waiting on my girl to run. She's doing Diamond League today. None of her races doesn't miss me. She's in Doha today and she'll be competing in about 20 minutes. So we're here waiting on that, and also waiting on the pizza in the oven to finish because Tyler requests pizza for dinner. And Babe and Idelina is on their way home. So yeah, that's what the entire family is up to today. 3 minutes remain? Okay, you soon get a pizza, alright? Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a chill day and a good day. Come on, Eels. Come on, Eels. Come on. Come on, Mama. That's it. That's it. Let's go. Woo!
She win again.
Yes. Kill that.
She win again.
Kill that. Yes. My girl won. The lighting was terrible, but my girl won. Kill that. Kill that Eels like a boss. Like a boss. Back to the pizza. Call her. Call her. Idelina is here. Call her, Idelina.
Sarah.
When she sees, she loves teddy bear. I want to see her reaction. Sarah! Hold on. She glanced it. Sarah, look here. Sarah, look here. Sarah, look here. Sarah, what is this? What is that? She running. Okay.
Peekaboo.
Yes, my love.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Oh my God.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
I'll put them out after. Not now. Don't worry about it. I forget. It didn't work. Sarah, cousin carry a teddy bear for you.
Yes.
Leave her. She going to it. Yeah. Yeah. Sarah.
For the little boy.
Tyler, she have something for you too.
Harris, I don't know if you. No.
Oh
I love it.
my gosh! What is it? What is inside?
Love Paris?
What is inside it? What?
So heavy.
Yes! Say thank you. Take it as a thank you. Don't drop it, Ty will break. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So you're gonna put it in your room on the dresser? Put it just beside the globe. Look at how you walk. He's so funny. Sarah, I love your gift. I love both of them. Thank you, cousin. You guys, let me tell you something about Idalina. She have the best personality. You think Babe make you guys laugh? Idalina kill. Every time I talk to this girl, I laugh until I'm out of breath. Literally. She have the best personality. Trust me. She's the sweetest. Oh, look at her.
Mama, you know what?
What?
At school,
Mm-hmm.
my mistress have the same thing that's inside.
Really?
Yes, the
Okay.
Torrefell. But the
Okay.
Torrefell without
The water inside. Okay. My battery's gonna die. My battery's gonna die. Your battery's gonna die. You guys, I have to show you something that my cousin-in-law gave me.
Look, this came and
And I almost cried. Let me show you guys up close. Oh, don't fall. No. Sure. Let me get a good shot. There you go. Look at this brooch that I got. Isn't that the cutest? Now let me tell you guys a story about this brooch. This brooch was given to her family by Babe great grandmother. No, by Babe grandmother. Thailand's our great grandmother, which she passed on. And the significance is the black and white. Her dad is black, her mom is white. So now they pass it down to me because we're the second set in the family. So her family now pass it down to me. And I almost cried. Literally, I had to hold back tears when I got it. It meant a lot. It means everything. So now I can probably pass it down to Sarah and Tyler when they grow up. I don't know. But I'll keep it close to my heart. It means a lot. Anyway, you guys, the entire family is here. Baby's home. Tyler is over there with Idalina. Don't even know what they're doing over there. So we're just gonna end the vlog here for tonight. What do you have to say to the face?
Me tired.
Me tired. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam. I didn't even show you guys a pizza, but anyway, it's in our stomach right now. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up with the fam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah, come here. Sarah. Sarah. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yes, you see the camera. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the faves. Tell them you're going to bed. Tell them you're going to bed. You are going to bed. You are going to bed. Come, princess, it's bedtime. Chop, chop. Sarah, let's go to bed. She just want to eat the airplane, the helicopter.